The Wren in the Holly Library is a whimsical fantasy novel that follows the story of Wren, a curious and adventurous young girl who lives in the small enchanted village of Thornhollow. Thornhollow is a quaint place surrounded by magical woods where the people live in harmony with the mystical creatures that inhabit the area. The heart of Thornhollow is the Holly Library, an ancient and mysterious library that holds more than just books. It's a gateway to other worlds and times. Wren has always been fascinated by the Holly Library. The library is vast and ever-changing, with winding corridors, hidden rooms, and books that seem to have a life of their own. Legends say that the library was built centuries ago by a powerful sorcerer who wanted to preserve the knowledge of all realms. And ever since, it has been a place of wonder and mystery. One day, while exploring the library, Wren stumbles upon a hidden door that she had never seen before. The door is small and covered in ivy, and when she opens it, she finds herself in a forgotten part of the library. Inside, Wren discovers an old, dusty book with a cover made of holly leaves and branches. The book is titled The Lost Songs of the World, and as she opens it, she is transported into a different world. A world filled with magical creatures, ancient trees, and forgotten songs that hold immense power. In this new world, Wren meets a talking owl named Alaron, who becomes her guide. Alaron explains that the world they are in was once filled with music and joy, but the songs that gave life to the world were stolen by a dark sorcerer named Malgor. Without the songs, the world has fallen into darkness, and the creatures that once thrived there have begun to disappear. Wren learns that it is her destiny to find and restore the lost songs to save this world. Wren and Alaron embark on a quest to find the lost songs, each hidden in different parts of the world. Along the way, they face many challenges and dangers, including treacherous landscapes, tricky riddles, and Malgor's minions who are determined to stop them. They are also helped by various magical creatures, including a mischievous fairy named Poppy and a wise old tree named Elderwood. As Wren collects the songs, she begins to unlock new abilities within herself, discovering that she has a deep connection to the music of the world. Each song they recover brings life back to the world, and the dark influence of Malgor begins to weaken. However, Wren also realizes that Malgor is not just a villain. He is a former guardian of the library who was corrupted by his desire for power. His true name is revealed to be Dorian, and he was once a kind and wise sorcerer who loved music more than anything else. In the final confrontation, Wren faces Malgor in the heart of the world's darkest forest. She plays the final song, not to defeat him, but to heal him. The music brings back memories of who he once was, and Malgor is transformed back into Dorian. The world is restored, and Dorian, filled with regret, decides to stay in the world to protect it and atone for his past mistakes. Wren returns to Thornhollow with a newfound understanding of the power of music and the importance of preserving knowledge and history. The Holly Library once again becomes a place of wonder, but now it also holds the memories of Wren's adventure. Wren is celebrated as a hero in her village, but she knows that her true reward is the knowledge she gained and the friends she made along the way. The novel ends with Wren back in the library, looking at the holly-covered book. She smiles, knowing that there are still many more adventures waiting for her, and as she closes the book, the door to the hidden part of the library disappears, leaving behind only the echo of a song. The power of music and its ability to heal and transform. The importance of preserving knowledge and history. The journey of self-discovery and personal growth. The idea that even those who fall into darkness can be redeemed. Wren, a brave, curious, and kind-hearted girl with a deep love for music and adventure. Her journey teaches her about the importance of history, knowledge, and the power of forgiveness. Alaron, a wise talking owl who serves as Wren's guide and mentor. He represents wisdom and the importance of guidance in one's journey. Malgor, Dorian, the antagonist who is revealed to be a tragic figure. His story highlights the dangers of power and the possibility of redemption. The Wren in the Holly Library is a captivating fantasy novel that weaves together elements of adventure, mystery, and magic. Through Wren's journey, the reader is reminded of the importance of preserving the past, the transformative power of music, and the belief that redemption is possible for everyone. It is a tale that resonates with readers of all ages, offering both excitement and deep, meaningful lessons.